Hello everybody. Today we are very proud to launch a program called How to Become a Successful Auditor. To become a successful auditor, one should have thorough knowledge about the audits. Then what are the roles of internal auditor, what are the roles of external auditor, how the auditing is exactly done on-site, off-site, or wherever you will be facing as per the country specific requirement. So we have designed a program in such a way that one can take the advantage of it and one can become a good auditor. Let us discuss about the agenda, what we are going to cover in this program. So first is the objective of audit and the basics of audit we are planning to cover into it. Then the different types of audit like role of internal auditor, role of external auditor. Then the role of inspector and the auditor. What is the difference between the inspections and the actual audit? Then the auditing skills, ideal qualities of a good auditor, the ethics and professionalism, conduct, audit credibility, identify and apply various factors that influence audit credibility, importance of audit credibility, then how you are ready to face an inspection, that is inspection readiness. So how to prepare and manage an inspection, do's and don'ts during an inspection, significance of SOPs, that is standard operating procedures, and documents involved into audits. Roles and responsibilities of staff during an audit, lessons learned, real life experience sharing, some kind of mock inspections we are going to cover. We are actually going to play a role, from the auditor point of view and from the auditee point of view. Then how to schedule your audit, the audit process, audit preparation and planning, audit elements of the audit planning process, that is auditor selection, develop the audit plans, then the logistic, auditing tools and working papers. Then there are lots of question and answer and the interactive session involvement of each of your candidate and the role play. Apart from that, how the good documentation practice is built, how the data integrity issues is to be handled, then the purpose of documentation, the importance of document, the types of documents, whether it is confidential, whether it is test procedure, specification, what are the different types of documents, the common sources of documentation, the common sources of errors, where you generally go wrong while handling the documents, while writing, while reviewing and while storing. So that is why the data integrity issues comes. Then the do's and don'ts about the good documentation practices. Then in section 6 we are going to talk about recent trends in the issuance of warning letters. Now you must have heard about many Indian companies have received warning letters, 483s and so on. So how do we handle, what is the trends of the current industrial trends after the inspection, after issuing the 483s, how you are going to give the remediation plan. The remediation plan for the warning letters, each and every type of warning letters will be discussed. Then expectations versus the reality during unannounced audits. Nowadays, many surprise audits we are facing, and how to face those unannounced audits, how you should prepare every day for the audit. Culture and attitude during the audits, case studies on the recent 483s. Then the 21 CFR Part 11 compliance, how do we handle those issues, the data integrity issues, data manipulation, then the automation in computerized system, then implication of CSV during the audits, then audit process, audit closure, audit reporting, audit follow-up and closure. So there are several interesting topics we are going to cover during this program, and I'm sure that this program is going to help you to become a very good and a successful auditor. Thank you. Please come and join us. If you have any doubts, write to us at rajashreo@gmail.com or rajplc@gmail.com. You may contact through our website www.rajpharmaelearning.com, and all the addresses and the contacts are given on our website. Thank you very much.